Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to, shut down this server, the previous server which we used earlier, and then terminate it. Actually, it's better than shut down, and then create the Amazon Linux one. So Amazon Linux one, we have already done it. So you can follow that video again. It's just a change in the operating system selection now. So you can see that the system is powering off. So that's okay. So open this, edit this existing one. And when you edit it, just change the IP address. Okay, everything else is the same except for the username, ec-user, ec2-user. That's the username. So just click on OK, and double click it. See if you get it connected. It's taking a bit of time. Okay, there you go. So now we are connected to EC2 instance. Perfect, right? So now once you're connected to the EC2 instance, all we have to do is like use the curl command to download it. The same stuff. But remember, in this situation, you will have AWS CLI already installed. So let's look at that. So let's just first download this curl. Okay, this file is downloaded. Okay, now let's just run AWS and then type -- version. So see if it is already installed. Now you can see that the old version is installed, which is 2.15. Now we need to upgrade it to the latest version. Okay. So this video, you can consider it as running that upgrade, which we have planned to do. Unzip this file. Unzip is also available in AWS Linux. So this is a good thing. You don't have to install this package separately. So now that you've unzipped it, go inside the AWS and run sudo / okay, it's better I copy paste it. Copy paste the command from here. So I'm not typing any kind of a different command. I'm just typing the same command. / install the default location. So if you're not sure about the location, you can always type which AWS. That will tell you. Okay, so it is in a different location. You can see that user bin AWS. So you just have to type the home location of the AWS. So user, I'm just looking for the AWS home folder. I don't see it under here. So let's see, user local has it. No, it doesn't have the home folder there. All right, so I did search for some documentation, but there is nothing like that. So we're gonna proceed with the same command. We are just gonna copy paste this command for upgrading it. So there is the home folder is in a different location, right? So now if you type the bin folder is going to be in this location, user bin folder. The installation location, what I've found so far, was not in this location. So the one which I have found is on the OPT AWS. So location it's been. So I just try with this directory, see if it accepts. So you can see that now you can run this. Let's see if it works. Right now, the latest version. There you go. So it is updated with 2.18 right now. I've given OPT AWS because I found this folder on OPT AWS. It's really weird to find it in this directory, but as this operating system is a little old, so that's the reason why it is there. So now you have the V2 version as part of the OPT AWS. So this is how you need to do it. I will copy all this custom command which I've executed on the on your GitHub page called AWS. I will put the GitHub page link over there. So this directly gets committed to GitHub, the Notepad++ one. So I will copy paste it over there. So I'll call it like upgrading your AWS CLI. So what we have covered so far is basically installation of of AWS CLI. So that is something we have done, and we have know the command. So I'll just copy paste the command over here. And we have also seen how to upgrade successfully your AWS CLI. And mostly this command should work, but in case if your AWS is located in a different folder, then you may have to change it to that folder. So I've shown you how to do that as well. In terms of like a different directory, I've shown you as well. So that's pretty much what we want to cover on the CLI part of things. Thank you again. In the next video, we will see some commands which we can execute as part of CLI. And I will see you on the next video.